Today we're going to talk about a veterinarian client of mine in Ohio, a married guy, 6 children, and he came to us about 5 years ago now. Really the big problem that he had when he came to us was pretty simple. He just wasn't certain and he didn't know what the next step was. He came to us actually with a fairly large, fairly successful practice, and he was content with that, but he wanted to grow. He wanted to expand. And he didn't know how to do it. He didn't know, can I afford it? And more importantly, he didn't know when I can do it. Can I do it now? Do I need to wait a couple of years? Do I need to make some big changes? So really, his big concern was just around mapping out what are the next steps. So what we did for him was we started out writing our comprehensive financial plan. And while we did that, we actually did an appraisal on his current practice. So we were able to show him, hey, this is what you already have is worth. And then we were also able to show him through our statistics what he's putting away, where his debt situation is, and really give him certainty in all of his personal metrics to show him that, hey, you can expand, you can do it. About a year after he started with us, he found a local practice, relatively small, somewhat ran down, but he was able to put in an offer on that and actually ended up buying the practice. And since then, it's been probably about 3, maybe 4 years now, he's been able to actually grow that practice to the point where it was just barely trailing his original practice. After a couple of years of owning multiple practices, his income went up, everything was going well on a financial level, but he was burned out. The shortage of doctors was really the nail in the coffin, and he reached a point where he just wanted to get rid of one of them. And so he started looking at, hey, what is this thing worth now? We did an appraisal years ago, but we had grown it at that point. So we got it reappraised for him. And he ultimately ended up selling to the associate doctor that he had in that practice just recently. And now he's down to the one practice that he purchased after doing our financial plan. His metrics at this point look phenomenal. He nearly doubled his reserves before he even sold the practice. His debt is, on the personal side, non-existent. 100% of it has been paid off. On the business side of things, he's down. He's probably reduced it about 60-70%. He's confident in where his finances are at this point. His next steps are going to be to continue to put away money for probably another 3 to 5 years. And then at that point, he's going to look for a buyer on the one practice that he still owns and coast off into retirement happily with his wife.